what's up guys, it's Luna here. Welcome back to my channel. Back at it again with another video for you guys. So today's video, I tried to follow Catherine Paiz from the Ace family, her makeup tutorial. I'm such a fan of the Ace family. They're such a bomb-ass family. So I went on YouTube and I looked up Catherine Paiz makeup tutorial, and I'm so grateful that I found it. So I wanted to try it out. Her looks are very simple and very natural. Something different for me to try. I don't have the same products as she uses in her video. I'm gonna use my products, but I'm gonna follow her steps in her tutorials. So without further ado, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn that post notification bell so you can notify whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in the next. So her first step is to put on foundation. I'm gonna be taking the Huda Beauty foundation, and I am in the color Cheesecake 250G. She applies some underneath her eyes, and she like kinds of let it set there for a little bit. Apply some of the areas as needed. Didn't apply any primer or anything, so she just went straight ahead on foundation. And this is a very full coverage foundation, so a little bit goes a long way, and I kind of applied a little bit too much. Now that's set underneath the eyes, she blends it in with her finger. Alright, and then she buffs out the rest of her foundation, but I don't have a brush, so I'm going to just use my beauty blender and then wet it with some setting spray. They have just about 16 million subscribers, which is awesome, especially that they've been on YouTube for about a good 3 years or 3.5 years. So that's pretty amazing. The Ace family is strong. So after she has done her foundation, she went on ahead and lined her lips, which I had already done. I used the NYX in the color Need Me. She used a different color, I think is one of the MAC's lip liner. And after that, she's now going to go in with some bronzer. I'm going to be taking the Too Faced in the Chocolate Soleil in the color Medium Deep. She puts bronzer just about everywhere because she likes to be bronze. After bronzer, and the next step is she does her eyebrows. After she gets done doing her brows, she goes in with a brown eyeshadow, which I will be taking the Morphe 35F Fall into Frost palette. I'll be using this brown shade right here, using a fluffy brush and putting it into my crease as what she does. Her look is very simple and very natural, and it looks really good on her. Now that eyeshadow's done, she goes on ahead and curls her lashes. For her mascara, she used the Marc Jacobs, but for me, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Now mascara is applied, she then goes in with some highlighter. She uses one of the Anastasia highlighters. I can't think of it. I can't think of the name right now. But for me, I'm gonna be taking the Becca Cosmetics in the color Champagne Pop. Cupid's bow. And the next step is putting on some more bronzer, because we love a bronze look. We love a bronze look, guys. There you have it. I followed Catherine Paiz makeup tutorial. Very simple, very natural, which is different for me. This is very cute, very simple, which probably took me like less than 10 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn post notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys soon in the next video.